Right folks, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick one. I've just done the update after being out all day with Arthur and Ray, which they're coming soon. They'll be in the listing shortly. A big thank you to Ray and Arthur for your time. And it was really interesting seeing a car that's 12-year-old, 100,000 miles, an 8-year-old, 100,000 miles electric, and still doing what they should do. So the car's had the update. It is dark. I'm not on my gimbal, I'm using my phone. And I've got meeting controls there, down there, and there, and there, and there. So, in fact, I've got two lots on. One there, and one there, and one there. I've still got the main screen. YouTube still there. All the settings there. I have noticed these sub-menus have dropped. So there's not as many of them. So they've obviously compiled them. So let's have a quick look. So we've got lights. It's just that. And courtesy lights, timings, locks. Yeah, and locks. So we've got now audio with the volumes, notifications, screen, so you can have it how you want, clock 1, 2 or 3 or whatever, adaptive darkness, and so that will give you, yeah, that's your still the same. Standard is showing 43 miles, 22%. Dynamic is now showing 37 miles, and that's on the range testing. Energy, let's have a look. Planned, scheduled, next due to charge tonight. Back, energy consumption, yeah, there's the graph. There's the downhill portion of the race testing we did when we were coming down from the mountain at Woodhead, which you'll see in the other video. I meant to cut that and put it in there. So today we had 2.5 hours and 25 mile average. Vehicle. So you've still got your comfort park, ESC off, electronic parking brake, trailer mode, sport and comfort, so that shows you the dynamics of and comfort for the braking assist. And the sport, driver comfort, all on, cabin perception, driver fatigue, that's the beep that goes on when it's eyes on road. And service, overall, front wiper check, manual. So this is what's changed really. Speed adjust mode. When the speed adjustment button is on the left side of the steering wheel, are using to set the cruise control, and the system will adjust in preset increments. Note, when short, press +5 long, +5 1 is chosen. The cruise control changes accordingly. When short, it will go up in 1 increment, not 5s, which is fine. Okay. And then safety. Still the same there from what I had before. So forward collision should be on early, really. Everything else is the same. Parking assist is on, and system. So we're now on, obviously my car and everything general is there. Version now should show, yeah, check. Just have a quick look here. But it is showing 2.1.0, so we'll just make sure it's going to do that for you. But I think it's simplified a lot of it. There seems to be more down this side than there was before, which is a lot better, but I can't understand because the eating I've got twice. So can I hold that and delete it? front defrost plus. No space, so I don't remove that. So I can't. They both don't show minus, so I can't get rid of them. So I don't understand how that's going to be done. I can move that, that, and that, but I can't. Look, it won't let me move that one. Or that one. Done. So by holding that to get rid of it, there's no... So does that mean we can move... One sec, let's go back. No, so they're still moving together, so that's on hot. And that's at the other side. They're still going together. But I don't get why people are saying they haven't got the heating, so everything's there. Is there. So, it may well be the app they're moaning about, so we'll have a look at that. But let's leave that from there, so that's the new update. And what I will do, I'm going to change that screen. I'm going to show you how to upload your own picture. So if you want to put your own picture in there, you can do. But thanks for watching. Thanks for the subscriptions, the likes and the comments. Like I say, we've got some really good stuff coming. We're taking 3 cars out today with 2 subscribers, so you can see what the difference in ages are. But no, I can't see. But I only want one of them on there, not 2. So I shall have to find out how to get rid of one of them. Like I said, the main heating controls are there. So it must be the app they're worried about. I don't understand why I've got 2 of those. I just don't get why there's one there and one there. Whether that's for the passengers to change it and that's for the driver to change it, I'm not quite sure. Anyway, thanks a lot, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks a lot, bye.